Hi guys, hello. So this is day 5 of our work immersion in Barangay Maria Cristina. So this point in time, wala pa mi natagag instructions on what to do. Wala pa mi kabalo what to expect next or what to do next. So we were waiting for our further instructions until gasay na po balik, mangita mig mga precinct numbers sa mga tao or mga registered voters sa Barangay Maria Cristina. So at this point in time, kapoy na kayo sig balik-balik, basa sa folders, sig pangitag ngalan. It was getting very redundant, pero enjoy pa rin kay this is the only time or the only chance you get to experience work immersion. So during a part guys, nag-conduct ang DPWH na seminar for Barangay Maria Cristina cause i-develop ang ilang gym, i-refurbish kay Bali. Manami. Uli na.
Mama ba, manami guys.
Uli na mi.
Mananami.
Tapos na ang laban sa precinct.
Wala. First week done.
First week done!
Yes, finally first week done. Umanimi sa mga precincts and motto for day 5. Bye.